Today we're going to be talking about formal versus informal language. Informal language recognizes language as an art form and embraces the ever-evolving aspect of verbal communication without restraints. It is experimental, emotional, developed outside of academia. It is also local and cultural, which means it relies on local and cultural context in order to express meaning. We choose to use informal language with friends and family because it has the flexibility we need to express ourselves as we are, in our most organic form. Formal language recognizes the need for a standard language structure to clearly communicate regardless of distance and cultural differences. It is rule-based, intellectual and diplomatic, developed within academia, and it has global reach. This is one of the reasons education is so important throughout the world. Formal structured language is the means we have to surpass location and cultural context, to create channels of clear communication, to forge the connections we need to build a global community.